LEGO Technic Magazine Issue 7 is here! This time it comes with buildable excavator. Some cool stats are also included, and fun guessing game. Excavator building instructions are also here. Interview with Giorgio Pastero tells you more about the excavator and its functions. And as always, there are a few posters inside too. You will also find games, fun challenges, and lots of useful facts about real-life LEGO Technic cars. How exciting! Next issue comes with free space buggy. Very cool and colourful postcards are at the back. Right, it's time to build this little excavator. I need fun instructions. There they are on 2 pages. It only took a few minutes to build it. Look at that, it spins around. Let me try the scoop. I think I'm good at this. And this tells you that it has 2 functions. Let's try scooping some LEGO pieces. Yay, I did it! I will add this to my beach toys, perfect for scooping sand. I will be back soon with something new.